Recycled PET products satisfy an amazing array of consumer and industrial needs. They include new bottles, industrial strapping, sheet, car parts, furniture, and fiber. Fiber is used for carpet and apparel and is a key market for recycled PET. At material recovery facilities, or MRFs as they are commonly called, workers sort and bale the collected PET and other recyclable materials for processing. Removal of trash and contaminants is an important part of the recycling process at the MRF level. It's made easier if consumers have properly identified and prepared the materials for recycling. PET plastic is a valuable source of income for the facilities. After the materials are sorted, they are baled for shipment and sold to reclaimers, who prepare the materials for further processing. Bales of PET are purchased in truckload quantities by reclaimers. The bales are rectangular in shape and weigh approximately 600 to 800 pounds each. A typical truckload of post-consumer plastic bales going to market can weigh up to 40,000 pounds. That's equal to about 500,000 bottles in one truckload. After transportation, PET bales are broken apart by the reclaimer. Mixed PET bales are commonly separated into clear and color during this stage in the process by automated sorting technology that is high-speed and efficient. The separated material is ground into small pieces called flake and then cleaned. The cleaning is done during a float sink process in which residual contaminants like caps or labels are removed. Due to the different densities of the materials, PET sinks and the other materials float, which allows them to be easily and safely removed from the PET flake. After the flake has been cleaned and dried, it is ready to be shipped to a converter, where it will be further refined and made into pellet form again. The recycled pellets are used by converters to create new products.
Polyester is made from oil, so recycling means we get more mileage from a precious resource. They convert polyester manufacturing waste on the left and plastic bottles into chip form. Pulses of hot air toss the chips, giving them hard shells. They go through a dryer to get rid of moisture that would weaken the final product. The shells keep them from sticking together, aiding the drying process. A worm screw moves the chips through heated pipes, which melt them into a thick liquid. This molten recycled polyester is now ready to be turned into yarn. It will be pressed through this die plate that looks a lot like a shower head. It's part of a device called the spin pack, which also includes a mesh filter, a metal distribution plate, and bits of shattered metal for extra filtration. It's important to screen out impurities that might compromise the recycled product. They screw the cap onto the spin pack and insert a metal connector piece. They preheat the pack so the polyester won't harden as it flows through it. Then they transfer it to one of the openings from which the liquid polyester flows. There are dozens of these openings, all capped by a spin pack. "68 tiny holes in each disc shape the recycled polyester into filaments. They cool and harden as they exit. Each one is 5 times finer than a single human hair. Some of it breaks during equipment stops and starts, and that goes into a big box to be recycled again. The rest converges and funnels into a guide, which bundles all the strands into one yarn. This recycled yarn is now ready for the material world, making consumerism a less wasteful thing.